First of all, good morning, all the students. Our today's topic for English, the first is the announcement. Now, what is the announcement? Announcement is to give us such kinds of information to you people while written or verbal. All right. There is a what is the important of the announcement? Announcement is the important information formally conveyed to a large number of people. Okay, it's give the announcement for to spread the information. It is like a news item declaring the happening of an event. For example, in your school also, when we want to be give such kinds of activity projects or such kinds of information, how we supposed to give you the information through the magic app being we gives you circular, right? That is also one kind of announcement. That is also one kind of announcement. Announcement is always a short and clear sentence. Students, is always short and clear sentence. Now, it can be a verbal, spoken, or written, can be live or pre recorded. Okay, it can be a verbal. Okay, for example, online lecture, if teacher teaching you at between, she's give you some information, so it can be a verbal, or else it can be a written. जो आपको circular मिलता है through the magic app, you get the circular you get for the different activities, for the different part of your what is happening in your school. Okay, all the information you get through the circular, that is also one kind of announcement. For example, if we are conducting the competitions, handwriting competitions or writing or the speech competitions, before 1 month before prior or 10 days before prior, a teacher announce in the classroom that our school will be held handwriting competition. Okay, so that is the announcement. In the announcement you can observe important things. In the announcement you can observe the important things. You can observe the date, time, what is the criteria, which thing you have to be bring. Okay, what kind of material you have to borrow. All the things, important things is mentioned in the announcement. Okay, it should be a formal language, short and precise. It should be in a formal language. Formal, formal, that means official words you have to be used. Informal, everyone's know about the formal and informal, so you have to use a formal language over here. Should answer all the questions about the event, that is where, when, why, who, money charge, dress code, each and everything you should keeps in your mind. As I give you the example of the students, if in your class we are conducting handwriting competition, so everything I have to should mention in the notice. मुझे हर एक चीज़ नोटिस में मेंशन करनी है, that at which date, at what you have to carry. आपको फुल स्केप पेपर लाना है, you have to carry a book, or you have to write with a pencil, or you have to use the pen. Okay, all the things I have to mention it properly. What is the duration of the activity, which date it will be hand, which time, which lecture it is suitable for you. तो उस announcement में ये सारी चीज़ें available होंगी, right? Students, here we have a one example of the announcement. Okay, it has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and litter after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. Now, in this short announcement, I have read it this. This is a short announcement. Okay, mostly whatever the short announcements we are attached in the school notice board, right, that everyone can look and read it up. So in this announcement, what you able to understand, what you able to understand while read this announcement? 6th July 2015, it has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classroom before leaving. If any class is found untidy and litter after class, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. What you able to understand? No one? No one able to understand आपकी sentence? Just see. So the next example is that tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will close an hour earlier as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Okay, dear student. So here in this short announcement, you can able to read the dates are also mentioned there. Okay, there is a PTA meeting, but when the PTA meeting? Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July. PTA meeting है, but कब है? 10th of July. The school will be earlier closed. Why? What was the reason? Because of the PTA meeting. So they are pleased informed to your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. देखा आपने? In only just a four five lines they are clearly mention each and everything. They are clearly mention each and everything. They are mention the dates, they are mention the timing, okay, and they are mention the agenda also. What will be the agenda? That there is a PTA meeting. This is the announcement, student. In the announcement you have to be shows that particular events it take place in the school or a particular area. Okay, for example in your area also, wherever you lived, आप जो भी area में रहते, wherever area you lived, in that area suppose flag hosting events is there, right? आपके यहाँ flag hosting events है, so they will announce you. All right, so what important thing will be come in that announcement? कौन सी important चीजें आएंगी? Right. Which things will comes when they announce any kind of, very good students, any kind of events होने वाला है, just to declare events होने वाला है, it is not a sufficient. The things you have to be maintained in your mind: dates, डेट आपको मेंटेन करना है, विच डेट विल बी कम, ओके, एंड विच क्लास कैन टेक पार्ट, विच क्लास विच कैन टेक पार्ट, ओके, द काइंड्स ऑफ डांस दैट आर इन्वाइटेड, व्हाट द प्राइस विल बी, व्हाट द प्राइस विल बी. अब ये जो क्राइटेरिया है, ये जो पॉइंट्स है, दिस पॉइंट्स इज रिलेटेड टू योर डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके, दिस पॉइंट्स इज रिलेटेड टू योर डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. अगर if we are conducting the dance competition in a school, so dates is mentioned, which date will be happen, which classes can take a part, what kind of dance they have to select it, and what will the prize will be, first runner up, second runner up, third runner up, what will the prize. Okay, these things, important things will come in your announcement, short and simple announcement. Okay, now here student, I'll give you one example, that suppose in your area there is a flag hosting. Okay, अब आपके एरिया में flag hosting होने वाला है, so and you have to make a announcement. So which thing you have to keep in your mind, which important measurement you have to keep in your mind? First you have to write the dates, right? First, dates, what will be the time of hosting, which kind of dress code we have to wear it that day, which kind of dress code, for the ladies only white sari, for the gents only the white kurtas, that you have to mention. What is the venue where it should be happen, कौन से place में होगा, that also you have to make it clear. Okay, so and what kind of song we have to play at that time. All right, so each and everything you have to be mentioned in clearly. Announcement, it's not a long paragraph, students. Announcement is just a 4 and 5 lines. It's just a 4 and 5 lines, but in that 4 and 5 lines you have to be clear each and everything. Okay, so students,